Let's be real, learning numbers in a new language can feel like a total drag. But what if I told you that in the next 10 minutes, you can get comfortable counting all the way to 100 in Spanish? By the end of this, you'll be able to do everything from ordering dos tacos to telling someone that you have 10 minutes to chat. Sound good? Let's jump in. Hey everyone, so counting is just one of those first big hurdles in any new language, right? It's the key to shopping, making plans, or just sharing a little about yourself. But it can feel like a boring memory game. The good news, it's actually all about patterns. Once you see them, it gets way easier. So forget that endless flashcards. We're taking the scenic route, and it's faster. First things first, let's get the numbers from 1 to 15 down. These are the unique ones that you just have to learn. But trust me, they're not so bad. I'll say the number, you say it back. Ready? 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro, 5, cinco, 6, seis, 7, siete, 8, ocho, 9, nueve, and 10, 10. Awesome. And now for the teens. These have their own names, kind of like 11 and 12 in English. Let's keep going. 11, once, 12, doce, 13, trece, 14, catorce, and 15, quince. Great job. Seriously, pause the video for a second and say those back to yourself. Rewatch it a second or third time and get these down, and then you're golden. Everything else we do today is built on these. Now, let's look from 16 to 29. Okay, now that you just have the basics, let's look at the first real shortcut. From 16 to 19, the numbers are basically just 10 and 6, 10 and 7, and so on. It started as 10 y 6, but over time the words just got squished together. So 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, and 19 is 19. See that? It's just 10 plus the number. Now for the 20s. 20 is 20, from 21 to 29. It's just the same idea. We mash the words into one. You take 20, swap the E for an I, and then stick the number on the end, like this. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, and the pattern goes all the way to 29. Now, you've made it to the home stretch, and this is the easiest part. Once you're past 29, the pattern is incredibly simple and consistent. You just need to know the words for the tens, and then it's a simple formula. But firstly, let's learn the tens. Repeat after me. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. And to top it off, 100 is 100. Now, to build any other number, you just put them together with E, which means and. So 31 is just 31, 42 is 42, 53 is 53. Simple enough, right? It's just a 3-word formula that takes you all the way to 99, which is 99. Alright, time to put it to the test. I'll flash a number on the screen, and you've got 3 seconds to shout it out in Spanish before I reveal the answer. Let's do it. This is 25. This is 47. This is 13. This is 81. This is 16. And this is 99. So where does this all pay off? Well, you can finally walk into a cafe and say, "Quiero dos cafés, por favor." Or if someone asks your age, "¿Cuántos años tienes?" you can hit them up with, "Tengo 23 años." I'm 23 years old. You can give out your phone number, understand prices at a market, or tell someone the time. This is practical stuff you'll use constantly. And just like that, you now know the system for counting all the way to 100 in Spanish. Just remember the 3 key patterns. 1 through 15 are unique, 16 through 27 are those squished together words, and 31 through 99 are those easy 10s E number formula. keep practicing, and this will become second nature. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy Spanish lessons. For a little extra credit, drop a comment down below with a sentence using a number you learned today. Awesome work today, and I'll catch you in the next one.